its formula is, suppose you want to integrate uv. U is one function, v is other function. So first of all, light u and then integrate v minus derivative u into integration of v, right, in this way. Okay, this is the formula for integration by part. Okay. How you can use? For example, x e x. X, let's suppose x is u and ex is v. U and v are two different functions in product form. Whenever product of two functions are given and you are going to integrate, then always apply this formula. Here you considered x is equal to u, so put the value of u, right, and put the value of v. This is derivation of u. Derivation of u means x, and integration of v. Okay, integration of ex is what? Integration of ex is what? Ex.
Yeah.
Derivation of x is what? 1. And integration of ex is 3x. So within integration, you have to integrate v and differentiate it. After taking product, again integrate. Okay, this is the
I see.
product. Yes, x ex, 1 into ex is ex, and integration of ex is ex. This is your answer.
So yeah, so the formula says, like, if we have two functions u and v, take v out to the left, then integrate, take u,
Yes.
okay, the first function,
Yes.
then integrate the second,
And
minus integration of the derivation of this
yes,
first,
this is whole thing.
multiplied by the integration. Yeah,
Yes.
I'm
So
trying to just like review
within
all the
integration,
three steps.
first differentiate u and then integrate v. After taking this, take the product of this and then again integrate the whole thing. This is main formula. This is for integration by part. Okay.
So this is for, yeah, two multiplied functions.
Yes. And function must be of different type. How? This function is algebraic type
Yes.
and this is exponential type. Okay. So there is a rule to consider the value of u. You cannot choose any random function u. So for choosing rule, for choosing u, follow ILATE. ILATE rule. What is ILATE? L stands for log function. If log x and x is there, then always consider u as a log x. I stand for inverse function. This is logarithm function. Logarithm function is log x, log 2x, log anything log fx, right? Inverse function, sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, like this. A stand for algebraic function. What is algebraic function?
Linear.
Yes, x,
Multiplied.
x square, x cube. Any number is also called algebraic function. For example, 2, 5, 1 by 3. Any constant is also considered algebraic function. Okay. T stand for trigonometric function. Trigonometric function consists of sine,
Sine.
cos, tan, and in last ex stand for exponential function. Ex, e2x, anything in the form of ex, right? Now you can ask why I consider this u. Why ex is not u? Because according to order, e comes in the last exponential and a comes before e, right?
Yes.
So a stand for algebraic function. This is algebraic function according to ILATE. First check whether it consists a logarithm or not. This function does not contain log, so you remove this. This function also does not contain inverse. Yes, algebraic function comes before exponential function, right? That's why you consider this as a u, and the remaining term will be v, automatically v.
It doesn't. Okay. It doesn't matter the we should like each time check the layer.
Yes.
Right.
Suppose if I give you ex into sin x, the order of product is given in this form, but according to ILATE, e comes in the last. E means exponential. So this is u. Why? T comes before e. T means what? Trigonometric function. This is trigonometric function and this is exponential function, right? So this is u and this
Yes.
is v. And then use this formula. Okay. In question, order is given in any form, but you have to choose in this way. For example, sin x log x. Here log, according to ILATE, log comes first. So this is u and this is v, right?
Yeah.
Yes, because this is logarithm function and this is trigonometric function. Okay.
Yes. Right. Okay. This is totally new topic to me.
Sorry.
This is a totally new topic to me. It's the first time
Yes, yes.
I know.
And this is very important. Okay. Just remember only
So it has
ILATE.
the yeah.
ILATE
But
means
it has like a
yes.
sorry.
You have learned the basic integration, but whenever integration comes in the form of product, then always use this formula and this rule. Okay. That's why I consider in this example x as a u and ex as a v according to ILATE. Right? One more question I show you. This is for ILATE is used for choosing only u and v. Okay. Suppose you want to integrate x log x. So according to ILATE, First, see the function is product form or in simple form. For example, one question is x log x. So this is what product form, and suppose function is given in this form x minus log x. This is not product form, right? You can separate
Right.
and then integrate.
Integrate each one.
There is no need to use UV rule, integration by part, because this is not in product form, right?
Yeah,
But
that's right.
but in this question, the question comes in product form x into log x, right? X into log x. Tell me what is u and what is v here.
So when we go with layer, it says like logarithmic. Then type integer, no, inverse.
Yes,
Then
this
first,
is this is
logarithmic is
algebraic.
going to be the first.
This is algebraic and this is logarithm. So according to ILATE,
Yeah,
L comes first.
right.
So you can write,
Log x. Yeah.
yes. So you can write log x into x and use this formula. Formula is what? U means log x, integration of v, right? Then differentiation of u and integration of v, integration of v, right? I have put all the value of u and v here. Now we will
Yeah.
simplify. How we can simplify? Integration of x is what? Right?
Yeah.
Derivation of log x is 1 by x. And again integration of x is x square over 2. Okay. Now x cancel.
Right.
Minus 1 by 2 x dx. One more time you have to integrate according to formula. So integration of x is what? X square
X
over 2.
square. Yeah.
Finally you are getting what? X square over 2 log x minus x square over 4. This is your answer.
Mhm. So in the real life, what does that mean? Like, for example, you explain to me what does it mean the derivation, which is the tan or the tangent of a function, right? Integration, which is like the area under the curve. Here,
Here the function, yes, here only one function is there, but function comes in the form of product. Suppose this is a function, but but this is a product of two functions. One function is u and second function is v. Okay, it
Yeah.
may, yes, function may be any type, either in product form, division form, power form. Sometimes function comes in this form x raised to log x, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So basically there are five types of function: logarithm function, inverse, algebraic. Algebraic is what? X square, x cube, 2, 5, any number, not only 2, 5, any real number you can consider. Trigonometric function is what? Sine, cos x. Exponential function is what? Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
Can we move?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Suppose you want to integrate this. So let tell me which function you will consider u and which function you will consider v. According to ILATE, what function comes first? Trigonometric function comes first, right? And exponential function comes last, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Sorry, I was like talking more than I knew.
okay.
Sorry.
So trigonometric function comes first. So I consider sin x as a u and ex as a v. According to
Yeah.
uv rule, I write here formula u integration of v. Okay, I write here u integration of v minus sometime integration of any function can be written as v1 and differentiation of function can be written as u dash. Whenever dash is there, so it means derivation, and whenever index is there, then this is integration. So you can also write in this way, derivation of u integration of v. Okay, you can also write in this way u v1 minus u dash v1 v1, right? Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
so first of all write u integration of v minus derivation of u integration of v dx, right?
Yes.
Okay, so here you are getting what? Integration of ex dx derivation of sin x h cos x integration of ex dx, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you can see you have to use again uv rule because the integration of product form it comes, right?
Yes.
So here you have to use again uv rule. Uv rule how? Because this is in form of product. So I write in bracket this is u and this is v. So again put ex dx minus derivation of cos x. You understand why we are using again integration by part? Because this function comes in product form. And how you are getting this function? By using this formula.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Cos x integration of ex is ex. Derivation of cos is what? Minus sin x. And integration of ex is ex. When you open the bracket, okay, you can write in this way ex cos x minus minus plus, right? open the bracket. Okay, now you can see you have to use again UV rule because this is integration of product form, right?
Yeah.
You can ask us how many times we are going to integrate this. You are finding integration of what? This integration of Ex sin
Yeah.
x.
Oh, so we have produced the same function again, right?
Yes, let's suppose this is I, right? Let's suppose this is I. So
Yes.
the value of I is what? Integration of Ex sin x. And this is integration of Ex sin x.
Yes.
This is I actually. Because what? This is the value of I. And here Ex sin x minus Ex cos x. This is basically what? I.
I. Yeah.
Because you can again again integrate it by using UV rule, but this will go to infinity times. That's why I consider this as a I. So minus I when shifted to left side it becomes plus I.
What does that mean? Look at you. Okay. Oh, okay. I see.
Yes, I when shifted to left side it becomes
Mm.
plus I.
Okay.
And I is what? 2I.
So yeah, I
Take
equals
take
so divide
Ex common, sin x minus cos x. So I becomes, this is the value of integration of UV rule. Okay, right? You can go through once, see how we are using this formula. Just go through once this.
yeah. So I'm reading the lines again.
Yes.
So expression of u v equal to u integration of v minus integration of derivation of v integration of which is e to the power x minus e to the power x sin x minus e to the power x cosine x plus integration of e to the power x sine x dx. Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. So what is U here?
You okay. So numbers type of graphic programs.
According to LIATE, LIAT. This is A and this is T.
Yeah.
So this is U and this is B, right?
Mhm.
So put the
Yes.
value of U here and B also.
Minus derivation of divided by integration.
Right? Integration of cos is what? Sin x. Derivation of x square is what? 2x. And this is sin x. Right? Integration of sin x. Right?
Yes.
Now here you can see again you have to use one more time integration. Right? So integrate this part by using UV rule. Integration by part. So here again consider u as x minus derivation of u, right? And integration of v sin x. Okay. Integration of sin is what? Minus cos. Derivation of x is what? 1. Integration of x is minus cos x. Open the bracket minus x cos x minus minus plus integration of cos x. What is integration of cos x? Now you can see single term is there. No need to integrate by using UV rule, right?
Yes.
Okay. When you open the bracket, you will get minus minus plus 2x cos x minus 2 integration of cos x. Integration of cos x is what? Sin x.
Times this.
This is your final answer. Now you can see there is no integration symbol, right?
Yeah.
You can go through once.
So square sin x, which is like, yeah, okay, so it's let's convert to integration of cosine x, which is the first part, according to the minus integration of x, integration of derivation of x square multiplied by the integration of cosine x equal to integration of cosine x equal to sine x, so x square sine x minus integration to x, which is the derivation of x square multiplied by the sine x, which is the integration of cosine. Okay, so because we have an integration of x sine x, we did the rule again, the
Yes.
second part. Yeah. So we have x, which is a type A algebraic. We have sine x, which is t. So x u and sine x is v.
Yes.
And we apply the rule again, and the okay.
Right. Let's suppose if you put here limit 0 to pi. So in the last term 0 to pi. First we put what? Pi. right? This is upper limit. Upper limit, uh, put the value of x as a pi, right? So after integrating by using UV rule or integration by part, put the value of limit. First, you have to put upper limit, right?
Mhm. Minus the lower limit.
Minus lower limit. So right here minus. When you put x is equal to 0, 0 into anything is 0.
Right.
This is also 0
Right.
because 2 into 0 is 0 and sine 0 is itself 0, right? And also remember sine pi is 0 and cos pi is minus 1. So sine pi is 0 is what? This is also 0. Cos pi is what? Minus 1 and sine pi is 0. Minus 2 pi is the answer, right?
Yep.
So after integration, put the upper limit then minus lower limit, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, minus 2 pi is the answer. Suppose you want to integrate this. So forgot the limit first. Always first find integration by part. Okay, this is L and this is A. So this is U and this is V, right? Take log x outside because U is outside. Integration of V minus derivation of U into integration of V, right? Integration
Yeah.
of x square is what?
One over
Derivation of
three over
log
three.
x is, yes, 1 by x. Integration of x square is x cube over 3.
We apply the rule again. Yeah.
1 by 3 is outside. 1x is cancel out. Okay.
Oh, I see.
One more time you have to integrate, right? Now there is no
Yes.
integration after this step. So you can write what? Okay. After this, you have to put the limit. What is limit? 1 to 2, right? So first we put 2 and then 1. 2 raised to 3 is what? 8. 8 by 6. And you know log 1 is? 0, right? So this is 0 because log 1 is 0 and anything multiply with 0 is 0, and when you open the bracket minus minus becomes plus. 8 by 3 log 2 minus 8 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is minus 7 by 6. This is your final answer. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Go through once this part. Seen?
Yep.
Okay. So what is u here?
Yeah. So we have here x as a, and we have ex as L, right? So EX is the
V.
no, 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 sorry. Yeah.
X
So
cube. X cube is u. Because let
yeah,
a comes first before e.
A cup, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So
So X is yeah,
minus derivation of u.
yeah.
Integration of ex is. Okay. Derivation of x cube is 3x square, right?
Yes.
And integration of ex is ex.
So yeah,
Yes.
definitely there's like a proof behind this rule, but
Yes.
why we derivative didn't integrate? Yeah, yeah.
Why you are?
Why we derivative didn't integrate? Like here, X the power three. We did like a derivation, and then we do an integration, right?
Because this is within an integration. In within integration, first derivate this and then integrate. After this, then again integrate. Its derivation is very long. After derivation, it makes a one formula. This is formula actually.
Yeah.
The derivation of this formula is very complex. You must learn only this, how to apply UV rule. Don't worry that how this formula comes. Just only remember how we are using UV rule. Okay. Derivation of U, integration of V. You can see here, you can use again UV rule, right?
Yes. But aren't we like back to the stem state, right? Something recursive.
Yes. Okay. So here U is what, x square? Derivation of x square, right?
Mhm.
Integration of Ex. Derivation of x square is 2x. Again, you have to use UV rule here. One more time, you have to integrate this. Okay.
Then we stop. Then we
Yes.
stop there.
Yes. Open the bracket, you will get 3x square Ex minus minus plus 2 into 3, 6x. Here you can see there is no integration, no integration, but here is integration, right? So
Mhm.
last time you have to integrate this. And you cannot put here I. Why? Because I is x cube and this is x. If you are getting same function, then you can consider I, like in uh, previous question. So u integration of Ex minus derivation of U integration of Ex dx plus 6x minus minus 6 derivation of x is 1 into integration of Ex is Ex. 1 into Ex is Ex. Integration of Ex is Ex. This is your final answer. Now there is no integration, right?
Yeah.
Okay. After this, what you have to do? Put the limit. Limit is was 0 to 1. First put 1. When you put 1, you will get and when you put 0, 0 into anything becomes 0.
Yeah.
This is also 0. This is also 0. But this is e raised to 0. Why?
One.
Yes. E raised to 1 is 1. 3, 1 square is 1. Minus minus plus 6. Minus 60 plus 60 cancel. E minus 3 is minus 2e plus 6. So this is final answer. 6 minus 2. Okay. Just go through once and see how we apply limit, upper limit and lower limit. In this question, you can see How many times you integrate? This is first time, right?
Right.
This is second time, and this is third time. So three times, one more time, four times. So four time you are integrate. It means that whenever the power of x is increasing, the number of integration is increasing. If I give you x raised to 5 ex, the number of integration will be of 6 times.
I see.
If the power of x is 2, then integration will be 3 times. Here x raised to 3 is there, it means that integration will be 4 times. First time, second time, third time, and one more time. Okay. As the power of x increases, the number of integration increases. If only x into ex is there, then only one time integration is possible. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. I think you understood.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. Noted. You can go through once and see what I have written here. First, I break this by using this formula. Here, one more integration is there, right? That's why I did
Yeah.
write in this form. You can see one more integration is there. This one.
Right. Sure.
That's why I use bracket integration of this, right?
Right.
This is basically what integration by part. By part means you are integrating part by part.
Yeah. So we did like a recursive or nested integration here until we got to the point where no integration of multiple functions.
Yes. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay.